Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today, I'm going to be showing you a tip on how to get your highlighter more pop. So without any further ado, let's just hop into this video, guys. So guys, the highlight that I use, it's like in this little container kind of thing. There's a load of highlight in here. I want you to do what I want you to do is get a brush, take your setting spray, spray it on the brush, make sure everything is set in. Thereafter go in with your highlight. I'm using the lid because there's like so much over here, and then I'm going to just dip in a little bit and then go in and apply your highlight. And then the exact same thing on this side. Like, look at how it's popping already. Like, I couldn't really see on that side. Like, I can't really see so much on this side because I'm like, oh my word. Then a teeny tiny bit on the nose. Now, any which way you look, I'm glowing. I'm glowing. I'm glowing. I'm glowing. I'm glowing. I'm glowing. So yeah, guys, that was my tip for today. I know it was just like so short, and I just wanted to go straight to the point so you guys can understand. This video was just a teeny tiny tip on how to make yourself pop. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with another amazing tip and trick for other stuff. I'm out, guys.